Well, the University of Arizona is asking students to get their first dose of vaccine by Friday if they plan to travel this summer.
Yeah, they're also looking for the public's help to study antibody response in people who have been vaccinated or infected by COVID-19. 9 News 9's Brian Brennan reports.
This week's University of Arizona status update included the importance and safety of vaccines and the ongoing research being done.
People now have easier access to the shot than ever before, but some seem unsure about rolling up their sleeves.
We're pushing as hard as we can, but we realize we're pushing up against vaccine hesitancy now.
University of Arizona leaders want people to know the science on vaccines is solid.
Think about why we don't see polio anymore, why measles, whooping cough, tetanus. These are all vaccinatable diseases. And as we said many times, vaccines are arguably the most important discovery in science in the history of mankind.
They also say immunity after vaccination might last longer than previously expected.
We know it's not only 6 months. That's wrong. We know it's at least 6 months and likely much longer than that.
The university is asking people to sign up for antibody testing to help their current research.
If you suspect that you've had COVID-19 in the past, but were never tested for the virus itself, what our studies here have shown is that the antibodies stick around for quite some time. And so it's a way of measuring whether or not you actually did have COVID-19 or maybe it was just some other respiratory infection that had nothing to do with it.
The U of A is currently holding in-person classes of up to 100 students. They say more informal gatherings outside of the classroom is where the risk of spread is greatest.
And when you're packed into a bar or a party or a family reunion or whatever, and you're hugging and you're having a good time and you're shaking hands.
Brian Brennan, KGUN 9 on your side.